Hello friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Goodwell and my today's topic is array. Array is normally in an array is a collection of similar types of elements which has contiguous memory location. Java array is an object which contain elements of similar data types. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored is an contiguous memory location. It is data structures where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in an array. Array in Java is an index based. So the first element of the array it's stored at the zero the index. Second element is stored on a first index, and so on. Unlike C++, we can get the length of the array using the length member. In C++, we need to use the sysof operator. In Java, array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and implements the serializable and as well as clonable interface. We can store primitive value of objects in an array in Java. Like C++, we can also create a single dimensional or multi-dimensional array in Java. Moreover, Java provides the features of enormous array which is not available in C++. Uh, First index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. First example, first Shubham, Bhushan, Akshay, Rahul. The four names, and his starting position, index position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 is a 0 Shubham, 1 Akshay, 2 Rahul, 3 Bhushan. It is an example of 0 to for the index of array. Advantage of array. First, code of optimizations. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. Random access. We can get any data located at the index position. Disadvantage. Size limit. Array is a size limit is a fixed limited. Size grow. It is size a runtime. To solve this problem, collection framework is used in Java, which grows automatically. Uh, types of array in Java. There are the two types of array. First is single dimensional array, and second one is the multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array in Java. Single dimensional array is also one row and one column. Is a single representation is a called as a array. Syntax declared in array Java. Data type array or data types array or data type array is a example of one dimensional array. Example of Java array. Let's see. uh, Class public class void main string arg int new int declaration array a0 a equals to 10, a equals to 20, a equals to 30, 70, 30, 40 and 50. If for int I equals to less than dot a dot length I plus plus. Length is a all arrays length is a create, and all elements is length is a declared. It is a length, and it is the output 10, 20, 70, 40, 50. It is a array declaration initialization and in Java array declaration int 30, 3, 4, 5. Declaration initializations and initialization. For example, public static void main string args int 3345 and for int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. It is a length example, and it is output is a 33, 4 and 5. So we can also print the Java array using for each for loop. The Java for each loop prints the array elements one by one. It is a holds the array elements is a variable, then executed the body of the loop and the syntax of each loop given for data types variable array and body of the loop. It is syntax of a for each loop. Mm, Example: public static void main string address int array 33, 4 and 5, and for int I array system.println I, and output is 34 30 33, 3, 4 and 5. It is a output. And passing array to a method in Java. We can pass the Java array to method so that we can reuse the same logic on any array. Okay. Example: public static void main string args in static void mean int ar. Okay, int mean equals to array 0. For int I equals to 1, I less than a dot length I plus plus, and if mean greater than array of I mean equals to array of I, and system.println mean. It is public static void main string args int 33, 3, 4, 5 declarations, and output is a 3. And enormous array in Java support the feature of enormous array, so you don't need to declare the array the passing in the method. uh, Example: public static void main string args creating method static void print int ar array, and if for int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus, and public static void main string args print array new, and 0, 22, 10, 22, 44 and 56 66, and output is 10, 22, 44, 66. Runtiming array from the method. We can also return an array from the method in Java. Example: public static method which a runtime array static int get return a new int 10, 30, 50 and 90, 60, and public static void main string arrays int array equals to get, and for int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus, and sys out array of I, and output is 10, 30, 50, 19, 60. Array index of out of bound exception. The Java virtual machine JVM throws an array index out of bound exception is a length of the array is a negatio equal the array size of greater than the array size while traversing the array. Public class example: public class static void main string args int array equals to 50, 60, 70, 80, and for loop I equals to int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus, and sys out array of I, and output is 50, 60, 70, 80. uh, uh, and exception is occur and first upon print first upon print and exception in thread main java and out of array of out of bound exception, and next one is output 50, 60, 70, 80. It is a array out of a bound. Okay, thank you. Thank you.